Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to share TikTok video to Facebook Story. To start this tutorial, open and locate your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once on TikTok, try to search for a video that you want to share. Once you find one, tap on the share button. In here, click on Save Video. Once you do that, you will now have the option to share it over via Facebook. Once you're here, everything should now be in your gallery. The video itself. What you're going to do next is long press and then share it on an application, which is Facebook. There are options, but here we're looking for Story. Make sure you tap on Story. Once you do that, there is now an option or a button that says Share Story. Just tap on it. It's the one on the bottom right. Once done, it should all be good. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.